Good day everyone. Today I will teach you how to fold a letter and envelope insertion. First, we get a A4, bond paper, and envelope. So let's start. Then fold like this, but do not fold totally because you have to measure it first. And then make it sure that it has a 1 and 2 inches below. And you done measuring it, you can fold it totally. Then we gonna put it inside the envelope. And that's it. Thank you for watching.